our Malaysia trip. This is not a vacation, but my husband has a training here in Malaysia. We will stay at Sunway Pyramid Hotel and we are heading to where our service will pick us up. After we arrive at the hotel, since my husband will be training most of the days, we decided to visit the famous Twin Tower Petronas of Malaysia. And this is the only time we have. We went outside the hotel to look for a restaurant or fast food where we can eat. Little did we know that there are a lot of restaurants and shops inside the hotel. The Twin Tower Petronas is far from Sunway Pyramid Hotel. So we booked Grab and I think we traveled 30 minutes or more. So beautiful. There are many tourists lining up for photographs, and there are many Filipinos here who are photographers. I forgot how much the fee of the photographs. Since I'm already pregnant here 2 months, we did not really go inside. It's a beautiful place to visit.